Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by accessing Gallery app and selecting Photos or Albums at the bottom. If you decided to go with Photos, hold the chosen one and select this icon at the top right corner. Then click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can always just go into Albums instead. Click on one of your albums over here. Hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete. And this time, click on Select All at the bottom. You can always exclude one of your photos or multiple of them that you don't want to delete. And then hit Delete at the bottom right corner. Last but not least, select Delete option. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!